Hope you guys are all doing well. I have Ipsy mail. So this is my March 2018 Ipsy bag. So this is the bag. I think that you're supposed to color this with like fabric markers or whatever. Let's see. It's called Create for March 2018. That's the card. That's everything that came with it. Oh, and then yes, we have markers too. I got blue and pink. That's pretty cool. I'll probably color this thing. That'll be fun. Alrighty, let's see what products I got. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is $10 a month and you always get 5 sample size products, sometimes full size products. So it's a pretty good deal and you get to try out new things and I like it. I like Ipsy. Alrighty, first things first, I got a Glossy, is that Glossier? I think it's Glossier. This is a coconutbalm.com, it says. So this is cool. It's made in the USA and it is cruelty free, this brand. So very, very cool. I always like to have a lip balm. There's always one next to my bed that I put on every night. Ooh, this is cool. This is from the brand called Scone. Can you guys see that? And it is a eyeshadow. It says it's a large shadow brush. Ooh, that's nice. Kind of has a rose gold barrel and it's just a huge, I mean, it's huge, but it looks flexible. This looks like a really nice like packing brush for the lid. So very cool. I will definitely enjoy that. Oops, I just dropped something. Okay, this is a little itty bitty, look how cute. I mean, like, this is my pinky and this is this. It's so small. This is a Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, so very cool. It's a little liner. Ooh, let me try it on. I haven't put anything in my waterline up here yet today. Okay, it's not drawing on my waterline like my It Cosmetics one does. I don't know why. Maybe it just needed to warm up. There we go. It just needed to warm up. Tickles because it's so small and pointed right now. But and nobody's gonna make my eyes water. Very cool. I look forward to using that. I'm really glad that I got that because I've been curious about their Tarte's liners. And then this is a, ooh, nice. What is this? Contour Cosmetics. Oh, is this the top? Yep. Oh, okay. This looks like a lip liner. I'm thinking a lip liner. Yes, lip liner. And what is the brand? What brand is this? Contour Cosmetics. This is, I wonder if that's full size. I mean, that's pretty cool. I got this that's full size and I'm feeling like this might be full size. And I'm wondering if this is full size. So this is a really good bag. I'm very, very impressed. Okay, and then the last one is Winky Lux. This is a holographic highlighter. Well, that's cool. I haven't put my highlighter on. And I do like Winky Lux. I've never really purchased from Winky Lux, but I did get, here's the color. Oh, it's super powdery. Like, wow. That would look funny on me right now. That is pink. How it, like, one way you look at, there we go. One way you look at it, it looks white. And then another way, it looks pink. Very interesting. Let's see. Where's my highlighter brush? If I can find my highlighter, oh, this is one. This is a highlighter brush from like It Cosmetics. I can try it. Put a little bit on. Feeling a little sassy. Oh, yeah. Nice, huh? I'm impressed. But yeah, what I was saying is that I found Winky Lux, first time I ever tried it was when I received an eyeshadow palette in my BoxyCharm. And honestly, guys, I've been very, very happy with that palette. So, and that's a really pretty highlight. Doesn't seem to be emphasizing my texture, my skin, or anything. I don't see chunks of glitter. It looks good. I do think I wiped it away a bit over here. Nice. I like it. Put a little here. So that's fun. Very cool. And that's a nice size sample too. You know, that's a pretty big sample. So that's it, guys. I got the Winky Lux Glossier, this eyeshadow brush, this lip liner from Contour Cosmetics, and a Tarte mini liner. So very, very cool. I'm super happy with this. If you guys are interested in checking out Ipsy, I'll have a link below. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.